Hey there guys, welcome to another Unreal video. And today's been a bit of a busy day. This fog is awful, by the way. This was just a test that can go away. And actually it's a exponential height fog. So today's been, it's been slow. My computer's just sold. The guy just drove, he's done a 12-hour round trip to come and buy a computer off me. He's driven from the bottom of Wales to the north of England, which is about 500 miles round trip to buy a computer. So I've been trying to prep the computer and stuff. So anyway, besides the point, today's been a slow day. So I've only got bits to show you. As one YouTube comment suggested on my previous, I just need to make sure that XSplit's getting this voice. It is. So as a comment suggested on one of my previous videos, the map should be an item that you find as opposed to something that you have outright, and I actually implemented that. And what I've done is, let me switch to an unlit mode and just quickly change the sun height here. Switch to an unlit mode, and what I've done is I've dropped a few maps in around the map. Sorry, I don't know why that was funny. So there's a map here, and I will show you when these shaders have compiled that actually I've been working on getting a town together as well. So actually a lot of today has been spent making 3D models. So I've got basically two houses and they're giving them on it, and they are replicated quite a bit, but nonetheless. And there's also a church kind of deal up here. Now if I can find the original 4 houses, there they are. There's another map here. So what happens is when you collect one map, there's 4 maps in total hidden around the map. So when you get your first map, I'll see if I can actually locate those. Well, there's one over by the cave as well. So we've got one there, one in the tunnel, one of them in the upstairs of the police station, and one of them in one of the house garages. So when I'll pop in and demonstrate that as soon as these shaders have compiled, and I'll just quickly show you the work that I've got done on the town. Just waiting for the tops of these trees to finish up. So yeah, with my PC officially gone now, I'm left on just my laptop, so it's going to be interesting to make a game just on a laptop. But anyway, let's just have a quick look at the town in lit mode. So I think it looks pretty cool anyway. I mean, I've obviously put the trees and dented it up a bit. There's something interesting over there, hidden in that forest, but I'm going to try and keep that one a surprise. So I mean, what we can do is we can take a look around one of the houses, but I'll have to do that in unlit mode. So we'll drop the camera speed right down. We'll have a look inside the 2 house models. These are both made using Google SketchUp. So inside the first one, they are totally empty, but I'm going to get some models in and kit them out with things that make them interesting. Things like boxes to search through, especially. Got to get rid of that foliage there. And there's an attic in this one. And this is going to be where some rather interesting events occur. In one of the attics, all of the attics, I guess we'll have to wait and find out. There's a lot of things I'm kind of making up as I go along, kind of adjusting as I go along. One of the garages here, the other house, there's a living room over there, a storage room there, kitchen, this will be a kitchen thing there, and then if we head upstairs, we've got ourselves, oh shit, okay, I didn't realise the roof got done with the same thing. I need to go and open up the model and fix that then. But yeah, there's a couple of rooms, a couple of windows. Now one idea I have had is if you're searching these houses, if you enter the very end room and head back out, I'd quite like to have some figure in the hallway staring down at you that disappears. Maybe, I don't know, mysterious. I guess we'll have to wait and see. I'm kind of just patching this together. So tomorrow, I've actually got work in the morning, but after that it'll be a lot of doing code. I'm going to try and avoid doing the landscape tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, I've got this church thing as well. There's going to be something interesting up at the top of here, but this is, I need to get some pews, model some pews in SketchUp. There is also a tower with a nice little bell at the top you can climb up. So yeah, today has mostly been doing 3D models, getting the landscape laid out. I've been practicing using landscape tools. I mean, it looks, I think it looks pretty cool. I like the way the houses are channeled into the land in some places, some higher up than others. I did create this grove just before I turned it off this afternoon. In fact, I need to get rid of those trees there. But yeah, so basically just models today. I'm sorry, there's not that much to show you. There is a thing that I kind of threw together at the very end before I turn my laptop off, but that's hidden over there in that forest, and I'm in two minds as to whether I should show you it or not. Yeah, go on then. Let's show you guys what this is. So let's hop into the game. We should have audio. Let me just make sure XSplit's picking up the audio there. I'm not going to be able to tell, am I? No. Anyway, I hope you can hear this. So there's the deep eerie base. So there's a crashed kind of obelisk thing down here. So now I'm obviously gonna have the lava deal damage to you, but you're gonna need to collect a clue or something from the obelisk. So you're gonna have to make a run for it and get back out of there as quickly as possible. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sorry there's not too much to show today. Oh, I do have one thing that I can demonstrate real quick. I'm going to actually have a cinematic. When you first start playing, there's going to be a camera that flies around the map, a cinematic that opens. And I have a friend that's training to become a voice actor, so I got him to do some voiceovers for me. So I'll let you have a listen to the intro cinematic voiceover. I will be adding subtitles, not in the YouTube video, but in the game. But I mean, just listen as best you can for now. Actually, I need to make sure you can hear this. I don't think it's going to be coming through my thingy here. Let's just pause this up real quick. I would quite like to demonstrate this. Audio, sound, default speakers. Which one's my default device? So why is Audacity coming through there? Let's see if we can change it to this and see whether... No, Audacity's not picking that up, so unfortunately I guess you'll have to just wait until I've got the cinematic in there for that. If it was picking it up, I apologise. But yeah, so... Oh, don't want to do that. So yeah, sorry, again, first of all, apologies that this video was a bit rushed. I got into bed and I was like, crap, I forgot to make my video for the night. So I kind of dashed on and showed you what I've got going on there. So yeah, the map's a cool thing. I will actually just quickly demonstrate that. It's something I didn't demonstrate. Let me just find... I'll do it with this one. So when you hop in the game, if I press the M key, no map. If I head over to a wall thing, now this is how you're going to interact with everything. It's going to come up with an E to interact, and then so I've got the HUD element for that working today, and then it displays what it is. So if it's food, it'll say food in brackets, and you hit E, it collects it off the wall, and all of a sudden I can open my map. So I hope that well, I'm going to wrap it up there. Tomorrow when I get back from work, actually, interesting news about the person doing the Unity project. He has decided to start a new project. He's doing a kind of space survival horror thriller thing. So his is going to be out on next Monday. We've both still got a week to do the challenge. So we're going to be judging, instead of gameplay, on quality of game. So who can make the greater quality game. So that'll be based on a lot of things: animation, audio, scene, gameplay, etc, etc. So I will let you know on Monday when that's out, and you guys can help me judge that, and my friends will be the judges, and we'll record their reactions when playing these games. And so yeah, hopefully I can crack on tomorrow, and I will be as distracted and get a lot done. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.